for joining our Wagemaster tutorials. Today we are going through how to set up secondary tax table. Let's jump right in. So I already opened my Wagemaster, as you can see. So the secondary tax table, not a common thing that you will use every day. 99% of the time you don't need to use this secondary tax table. I will go through why is that. So for example, if I pull up this full-time employee, and if you go into payments, then select on tax. So currently this employee's tax table attached to 02 with general exemption. So that's mean this employee's claim tax-free threshold, and he does not have any second job or any other income. So but there's a secondary tax field that you can use if needed. So for example, if this is the foreign employee or a different type of the visa category that require to set up additional tax, so for example, if this employee got a HEX or a student loan that need to add it in, you can use the secondary 02 STSL only with the secondary tax. But if you scroll a bit down on the list, you can see there's another one, 02 with general exemption plus STSL, which means both of combine both of these two tax tables. So rather than using secondary tax, you just can update this to 02 with general exemption plus STSL if that needed. So that's why I told you 99% of the time this is not required, and this is not a regular thing that you're going to do or use it every day. So just be mind of that. Or the other thing, what employee might request, if he would like to pay additional tax toward of his gross salary. So rather than the standard tax, some employees prefer to pay higher tax, little bit short amount every pay. So you prefer to get some return at the end of the financial year. So if that's the case, you don't need to put any secondary tax, but you can make an adjustment. So for example, if I add a $50 here, what's the Wagemaster do? So it will it will calculate the tax based on his gross salary and according with this tax table, plus it will top up another $50 into that. So the employee pay every pay, the employee will pay out extra $50. So that's what this secondary tax is about. So if you do have any questions or anything, if you're not too sure with how to set it up, I would strongly recommend you to double check with your accountant or be contact with us. And yeah, thank you for watching, everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help center articles or book a one-on-one consulting and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you're enjoying it. Have a great day. Thank you.